Hi, everyone. So today let's talk about baths, taking a bath, showering, that sort of thing. Why is it that we do that? Well, I would say that we do that because there is some dirt that can accumulate over our body. This dirt is coming from inside sometimes through sweat. Our body is eliminating toxins, is eliminating stuff. Also from the outside, we have dust all over the place. We have products, we have bacteria. So when we do not take our bath, eventually we get smelly, which is not so nice, socially speaking. And also our skin can grow the kind of wrong microorganisms, or the pores of the skin can become sort of obstructed by dirt, and that will not be so healthy. And usually we sort of enjoy taking a good bath, showering, feeling the water, feeling we are getting clean. And this is already very healthy. But I would say there is probably a very important analogy to take into account about other kind of bath and other kind of shower. Let's talk about this equivalence to the psychic world. Let's imagine that indeed, when we walk around, when we talk with other people, when we feel, when we think, we are taking part in a major psychic atmosphere involving the whole planet. What we bring there, our share, is already important. It's also important what we get from there. So, in a way, we can become dirty and we can get infected by thoughts, by feelings, and we can infect other people. Our smell, psychically speaking, can be a very nasty one, because what we are irradiating might be polluting, probably might be full of separation, of hatred, of fear, of strange desires, of distortions of all kinds. What we get from other people could be something like this. We can find in our aura, so to say, our mental aura, our emotional aura, our vital aura, all sorts of pollutants, and we can send them away. So there is then important for us to shower, to cleanse ourselves. The spiritual traditions tell us a lot about this. They encourage us to try to purify our bodies and our minds in different ways. And there is indeed the equivalent to a shower. We may actually relax inside of ourselves. We might try to get attuned in a very direct way to our soul, to our higher self, to divine levels, if you will. And we can picture that there is light pouring down on us, cleansing our aura, cleansing our mind from distorted thoughts, from parasitic thoughts, cleansing our emotions so they become more transparent, they become clear, they become constructive. And, of course, cleansing our vital body so we get pure vitality, we get health flowing through our energy system. We can even do this while taking a shower to our body with water, as if we were inviting other kind of water, like water of life, water of pure consciousness, towards ourselves. Then we have this powerful inner cleansing effect. Then our psychic smell to others might become something nice, constructive. Let's not forget that the traditions tell us that real saints have a nice smell to themselves. Some people will say that even when they die, after their death, one of the ways to feel their presence will be a very nice, pure smell, like the smell of roses on the environment. Indeed, we may bathe ourselves in the right kind of waters from psychic levels, from high energy levels. And thanks to that, we can get a clear mind, a clear heart. We can get into a state where playing our individual, unique note to the larger orchestra of human beings will be a real nice contribution. We'll be contributing to a large harmony instead of bringing distortion, isolation, hatred, fear, all those things that have a tendency to make things worse all over our planet. This is the idea for today. As usual, if you like this, share, comment, subscribe, usual stuff. See you.